acara data karir day-nya Algoritma ini menurut saya menarik karena selain memberi kesempatan kepada students-nya, juga dari corporate bisa tahu perkembangan di luar dari panel discussion dengan other companies-nya gitu.
And the way I ended up getting into data science was I worked on a political campaign in America, and my skills were in community and organizing and I guess what you'd call domain expertise or domain knowledge. And the team around me were all amazing statisticians and mathematicians and data scientists. And so I got an informal education in statistics, software development and Bayesian reasoning, all in the space of a 6-month political campaign. And after that, I guess I realized the incredible change that data science can make in people's lives, and I've been doing it as a professional data scientist ever since. I think it's great. I was so impressed with the quality of all the Algoritma students' final class presentations. I think clearly they've mastered some really important data science skills, and they've mastered some of the most important thing, which is presenting it well for a lay audience. So yeah, I really enjoyed it, and thanks for inviting me.